This interconnectedness enables a level of automation and remote control never seen before. You can manage your home systems with ease, whether you're in the next room or halfway around the globe. You can control your home's lighting, temperature, security systems, and even appliances like refrigerators and washing machines, all from your smartphone, no matter where you are in the world. This level of control offers unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. The benefits are clear: increased comfort, convenience, and even energy efficiency. Smart homes can adapt to your lifestyle, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. But this seductive convenience comes at a price. With all this connectivity, there are potential security vulnerabilities. The more devices you have connected to the internet, the more entry points there are for potential hackers. Privacy concerns also arise as these devices collect and share data about your daily habits and routines. It's crucial to stay informed and take steps to secure your smart home. Regularly updating software, using strong passwords, and being mindful of the data you share can help mitigate these risks. Despite these challenges, the allure of the automated abode remains strong. With the right precautions, you can enjoy the many benefits of a smart home while keeping your data and privacy secure.
While the benefits of smart homes are tempting, the potential dangers are very real. The allure of controlling everything with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone is undeniable. However, the same technology that allows you to control your home remotely also makes it vulnerable to hacking and cyberattacks. Cybercriminals can exploit these systems, gaining unauthorized access to your personal space. Imagine a stranger gaining access to your home security system, disabling your alarm, and leaving you vulnerable to intrusion. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. Such breaches have happened and can have devastating consequences. But the risks go beyond malicious attacks. Even without external threats, smart home systems can fail. System errors and software glitches can also have disastrous consequences. A simple software update can turn your smart home into a source of frustration.
In 2018, a software update for a popular smart home hub caused devices to malfunction worldwide. This incident left many users in a lurch, unable to control their devices as intended. Users reported lights flickering uncontrollably, thermostats going haywire, and other unexpected behaviors that disrupted their daily lives. Security systems sending false alarms added to the chaos, causing unnecessary panic and confusion among homeowners. These incidents highlight the vulnerability of relying on complex interconnected systems. When one component fails, it can have a cascading effect on the entire network. As smart homes become more sophisticated, so do the potential consequences of their failures. It's crucial to weigh the convenience against the risks and be prepared for the unexpected.